Hi and welcome back to the channel. Now let me share a new arrival. This came from United States. This is a Model 35B tape typing unit, a Teletype Corporation product, in a bit dirty but otherwise apparently good condition. Has some pretty stale spools with pretty stale typing tape on it. I believe this one is still being made new. So what is this thing? Back in the old days, teletypes had a range of units, not just a big typing machine that you think of when you heard teletype, but also units that printed and also perforated tape for making it both readable by humans and by machines to send further or store as reproducible information. And there was Teletype naturally had a range of models spanning a few decades, and this 35 series is among the newer ones, which means from 1960s. So this unit does not perforate tape, but prints on the tape only, and it does so by means of this. Let me see if I can zoom in. A printing head that goes over the tape, visible here with characters and numbers. So what it was used for, apparently for sales purposes, because it wasn't really used much in communication rooms. That's what was listed in advertisement, and this was sales demo machine, and it misses naturally the perforation part of Typing Reperforator unit. There were several encodings on these machines. It's mostly mechanical marvel with some electromagnets, and it's fed from edge connector here connecting to the line, and it gets its mechanical feed here via main axle. I don't have a motor or the base for the unit. Naturally there was its own drive. I also missed the tape feed and the reel part of it, which I would have to reproduce to make it usable in any way. It's not meant naturally to be used for anything practical now, but more like a kind of fun mechanical art project. I have a really good idea for it. Unfortunately I have, as you know, too many projects, stretched a bit thin. So I think I first start with cleaning this unit and coming up with a way to having a drive connected to it, maybe a third-party motor or actual Teletype Corporation motor with gearbox. The machine accepts a range of speeds selectable with this so-called rangefinder wheel here, and it has this lever, which I hadn't quite figured what is it for, but it looks like it operates a clutch of some sort, and it accepts apparently as an ASCII machine. There were also older machines were Baudot code, but this is an ASCII coded machine. Yeah, it accepts 1-inch tape, and the older machines were 11/16 inch, a bit thinner tape, which is great. Means characters will be probably a bit bigger than on the older machines. So what I'm going to do, I think, is to remove the spools, remove maybe the driving magnets here, solenoids, They appear to be coated in some sort of shellac. Have a look at the wiring. Check if there are any other felt parts or anything that can be damaged, and dunk it in, not quite sure about it, either motor oil or alcohol for starters. I have enough of both. I have a bunch of flush and motor oil, and ethanol alcohol is cheap in Norway. So yeah, that's about it. Just the first look for today. So naturally to be continued. If I get a spell free from work and my other projects, I hope you to update with a video of cleanup. Thanks for watching.